Hello everyone, this is Fred McCubbin, and I'll be guiding you through your first tutorial of Realty Data Link. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to find a website, register for your account, purchase the program, download and install it. First things first, we need to get to the website. You can either go to your address bar on your browser and simply type in www.realtydatalink.com, all one word, or you can simply go to your search engine if you're an avid user of your common search engines such as Google, Yahoo, MSN, or so on. You can just go up there and type in Realty Data Link, 2 words, not 3 words, and do a Google search, and most likely we're going to be at the very top of all the search engines. So by just clicking that, you get to our website. Once you get to our website, you'll notice that it is just as easy and user-friendly in our solutions. It's easy to navigate. All the buttons are right here: Home, Features, Register, Downloads, Add-ons, as in add-on modules. Once you have the program downloaded, you want to do add-on modules like more letters or action plans and so on. And the support page that you're going to be going to quite a bit in order to read tutorials, print tutorials out, and not to mention use the form on that page to communicate with us when you have problems or questions about the program. First, we need to register for an account. We do this by clicking the Register button. You'll notice right away that this is a simple registration form page that you're going to use and fill out. You need to be sure and use a valid email account to make sure that you get the email that comes from the server to you with the instructions on how to validate your account with Realty Data Link. Choose your password wisely. As it says here, use letters and numbers only, as in do not use illegal characters such as space, dash, hyphen, underscore, and so on. This is going to be 6 characters minimum, and you're going to use letters and numbers. Choose a secret question just in case you forget your password later on. You can always use this feature to reset your password. Put in your name, last name, and the referred by field, as you can see, doesn't have a red asterisk by it, so it is not mandatory, but we would appreciate it if you could let us know how you got to know about Realty Data Link or who you referred to us. At the bottom of the page, you have the profile information where you get to put in your display name. This is very important because, as it states here, this is how your name will be displayed on letters, reports, flyers, etc. And it is case sensitive, so please be sure and double check this before you continue with your registration. The rest of the fields are not mandatory, but it's always a good idea to put them here. It makes it easier for us to give you tech support when you need us to do so, and at the same time, most of this information is going to automatically be imported into your Realty Data Link once you register your account and verify it. Next, you're going to get an email. Just as I show you here in my email account, I have received a test email that clearly states how to activate my account. In the case that you're not able to simply click this link that the server has sent to you for verifying your account, you should be able to simply highlight it, copy it, and paste it in your browser's address bar, and use that to activate your account. Please keep in mind, this is not an unlock code. The unlock code only is sent to you when you purchase the program. This is just so you can verify your Realty Data Link account with our website. Once you're done with that and you've activated your account, it's ready for you to pay and purchase an unlock code for Realty Data Link. To do that, you can simply click down here where it says Online Store. From our online store, right off the bat, the first item is Realty Data Link Standard. It is 50% off right now at $99.95, one-time fee only, and you can simply click Buy Now in order to get to it. When you click the Buy Now button, you notice that PayPal is what we choose for our e-commerce solutions because of the security that they offer our customers, as well as how easy it is to use them. If you have a PayPal account, you can simply use the PayPal login area. However, you do not need to be registered with PayPal in order to use our system. To simply purchase using your credit card, you're going to fill in your information, the name on the card. Down here, choose on the card type whether it's a MasterCard, Visa, Discover, or American Express. Put in the correct billing address for that card. And then, at the bottom, make sure you put in your email address and home telephone, or any telephone that you'd like for contact information. And finally, the security check, you want to type in the security letters that you see here. They're always going to change. This is for security purpose only. And when you click Continue Checkout, you're going to purchase the program, and the server will send you another email with an unlock code that you want to save somewhere safe. Okay, now that we have registered for an account and paid for an unlock code for the program, we're ready to download. To do this, we simply click Downloads. If we are downloading for the first time, we want to download the first Realty Data Link setup file. Version 2.0 is our current one, but by the time you might be watching this file, this version may have gone up by a few numbers. Just remember that the full version install, the first one, is the one you want. Once you have the program installed on your system, you want to use the Data Link patch files to update the version that you have to the latest version. Realty Data Link patches are absolutely free for you to download once you've purchased the main program. And for the first year, you'll be able to get unlimited technical support 24/7 by email. Sometimes, even after hours, you will get an IT personnel from our company to respond to your questions, if need be. Now, for the sake of speeding up this tutorial, I've already clicked and downloaded the rdlsetup.msi file. You will find it here on the desktop where I saved it. However, you can save yours to My Documents or a designated downloads folder on your hard drive, whichever you're comfortable with. You simply double click and install the RDL program. Once you're done, you end up with a Realty Data Link icon. Looks like a little blue top house, and it says Realty Data Link. You're now ready to verify your account. When you run Realty Data Link for the first time, you see this screen where you get to verify your account. Your username is your email that you had signed up with. Let's say the test account that I had used was our email. And the password is whatever you chose at the time. I confirm registration. This, by the way, is a part where you need to make sure if you have a firewall that you give access to the program. It says, "Welcome, John Smith. This is the test account I created," so it did work, and I get to click Next. Agree to the EULA software, which will then get me into the program. The first screen you're going to come to when you run the program would be the agent setup screen, which we're going to cover in detail in the next tutorial files. The second time you run Realty Data Link after having registered is what's called the unlock screen. Here you get to put in your username, which is your email again, put in your password that you've chosen, and this time you're going to have to use what's called an activation code. This activation code is automatically emailed to you by our server when you purchase one on our online store. So I've already gone into my email and simply copied that line, and I can paste it here instead of having to type it, and click Activate. Once again, I need to make sure I give access to my firewall, and when the activation is complete, it'll state here, activation complete. I click OK, and I go into the program again. We are now ready to begin using Realty Data Link. Go to the agent setup information and import a farm file if we already have one, or start entering our sphere of influence. Thank you for watching the first tutorial file for Realty Data Link. Please advance to the next tutorial where I'm going to show you how to fill in and update your agent setup and start entering your first sphere of influence.